In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge tickets in Freshdesk. If you've ever found yourself juggling duplicate requests or multiple threads about the same issue, merging tickets is a simple way to keep your queue tidy, avoid sending overlapping replies, and make sure all the context lives in one place. Start by opening the ticket you want to make your primary thread. This will be the main record that keeps the consolidated conversation and details, so choose carefully. A good primary ticket is usually the one with the clearest subject, the correct requester, and the most complete history of the issue. Take a moment to scan its timeline, attachments, and any internal notes so you're confident it's the best anchor for the merged conversation. Next, look to the top bar of the ticket and click the three dots labeled More Actions. From that menu, select Merge. This opens a side pane where you'll gather the other tickets you want to combine into the primary one. Think of this pane as your staging area for the merge. In the side pane, search for the related tickets by ticket ID, subject, or contact. Ticket ID is the most precise method if you have the exact number handy. Searching by subject works well when duplicates share similar wording, and contact is helpful when the same person has sent multiple emails or follow-ups that created separate tickets. As you type, you'll see matching results appear, making it easy to pinpoint the exact records you need. When you find a ticket that belongs in this merge, click the plus icon to add it to your merge list. You can add more than one if several tickets relate to the same issue. Pause to verify that every ticket you've added truly refers to the same problem. This quick check helps preserve clean history and prevents unrelated topics from getting mixed together. Before you finalize, confirm the order shown in the merge list. The ticket you opened first should already be set as the primary, but it's worth a final glance to make sure the intended main ticket is at the top. The order determines which ticket remains as the master record after the merge. When everything looks right, click Merge. Freshdesk will consolidate the selected tickets into your primary one, so all relevant context is now in a single thread. From here, you can continue your conversation without switching between tabs or risking double replies. That's it, your tickets are merged, your history is unified, and your workflow just got a lot cleaner.